When Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu saw blood on his garment while performing prayer, he threw it away and continued his prayer. Ibn Musayyib and Shabi said, when somebody is performing prayer, his garment is smeared with blood or semen, or he is not facing Qibla, or he is performing prayer after performing dry ablution and water becomes available during the time of prayer, he should not repeat his prayer. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu reports, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was performing prayer as usual near Allah's house Kaaba, and Abu Jahl and his companions were sitting there. One of them said to the others, who amongst you will fetch the tripe of a camel of the tribe so and put it on the back of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he will be in prostration? The most rest of the people got up and fetched it. He waited, and when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed prostration, he put it on his back between his shoulders. I was helplessly watching it. Would that I had a companion. They started rolling around and falling on one another. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained in prostration and did not lift his head till Hazrat Fatima radiyallahu anha came, removed it from his back, and then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his head. Afterwards, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said thrice, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, control the Quraysh. His invocation against them was unpalatable to them because they knew that invocation is approved in this city. Then he uttered their names, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, control Abu Jahl and Utbah bin Rabia, Shayba bin Rabia, Walid bin Utbah, Umayyah bin Khalaf, and Uqba bin Abu Mu'ayth, and he mentioned 7, but I have forgotten them. By him in whose control my life is, the people whose names Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned were thrown into one of the pits of Badr. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 240.